Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to batch import profiles in DICloak. First, open on and log in to the DICloak software. Once on the Profiles page, click the arrow next to the Create Profile button and select Batch Import. Next, click to download the import template. Follow the instructions within the template to fill in the relevant information. Be sure to start entering data from row 4 and avoid deleting or modifying the first 3 rows to maintain proper formatting. Please note that each import is limited to a maximum of 200 entries. If you have more data, divide it into separate files for import. Once your file is complete, drag or upload it. Choose your operating system and user agent. Selecting a fixed user agent means the same one will be applied across all profiles. Adjust your general and advanced settings as needed to fit your preferences. Confirm and review your import results. If everything is okay, click End to close the Review tab. You can download the file to review your import if needed. After completing the import, you'll return to the Profiles page. If the import fails, the system will provide the reason for the failure. Adjust the file as needed and try uploading it again. For further assistance, feel free to contact us.